Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mimi. If you want to see how I achieved this style, keep on watching. So I am starting off with like this crusty old wash and go that I probably should have retired like 3 weeks ago. Not 3 weeks, but like I should have retired it. So basically, I'm just starting off by parting my hair, and I'm only going to be doing 2 sections because it's 2 space buns. So yeah, as you can see, I was just low-key struggling to part the hair because I had the bright idea not to wet my hair at first, but I learned better. So yeah, I'm just parting it into 2 sections. And then I'm finally wetting the sections, and I'm really saturating the hair to make sure that it is malleable and as pliable as possible. And I'm taking the Silk Elements leave-in hair cream to infuse some moisture into this wash and go, which arguably is actually a pretty good wash and go. And then I'm taking this natural growth hair oil and just applying that to my scalp just to stimulate it. Just, you know, you can never give your scalp too much love. And your edges, okay, gotta protect them edges. And then I'm taking the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I'm just applying that to the perimeter of the hair just to give it a little bit of a sleeker look, because I mean, it wasn't as sleek as it possibly could be, but I don't really care about that like super sleek look. I just wanted this to look, you know, cute enough. And so yeah, I'm just going ahead and positioning the hair, and I'm taking a nice little hair tie and just tying up the hair once I figured out the position that I wanted. And so I just wanted to take this opportunity to say that if you guys are not following me on Instagram, it's at Hey It's Mimi with 3 Y's, so HEYYYITSMIMI. If you're not following me, go ahead and follow me on there, and also follow me, or I guess subscribe to my channel here. I'm trying to be more consistent with posting, so if you guys like this way of like how I'm recording, let me know. I have a lot of videos like saved up from Instagram that I can go into more detail on, which is kind of what I'm doing here because I posted it on my Instagram a while back. So if you guys like videos like this where I'm just going through a style, you know, in fast motion, let me know. And so what I'm just doing here that I have my 2 sections is I'm just pulling out some random little hairs just to give it like a little like cutesy effect, because I didn't really think that the completely slicked out style was that cute. So I'm just pulling out little sections from different parts of my head, and then I am taking a little bit more of that gel and just twirling the pieces around to give it a more curly texture, kind of like what I have in, you know, the top of my head. And yeah, so I'm just going ahead and I'm doing that in all the sections, and you can really like wear the hair like this, but I'm gonna be using the Style Factor Edge Booster to like slick down my edges. And so I'm just going ahead and like applying that. I think I applied a little too much here, but you really want to go in with this with like a little bit because it tends to flake a little and just look kind of crusty. But if you go in with little, you'll be fine. And so yeah, and this is really the only product that slicks down my edges, so I love it. So in order to add a little more dynamic element to the hair, I'm just taking these like clips, hair clips, and just using that to kind of hold the edges in place, but also to give it a cute little twist. And honestly, I know this is like kind of a childish look maybe, but I really like it. It was really fun to do and like play with the colors and just make it look cool. So, you know, have fun with it. Hair is not meant to be serious all the time. It's meant to be had fun with. So yeah, you can really leave it like this with everything dangling, or you can just like, you know, twirl it up and actually make the space buns, which is what I had at the end of the look. And that's just twirling the hair around and then using another hair tie to kind of hold it in place. Y'all know how to make a bun. That's really all I did. Nothing too special. So yeah, that's really the style, guys. It's super easy, super cute. I really love it. Let me know what you guys think down below. And as I said before, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.